I'm Nikki Sacksteder here at Sacksteder's Interiors, and I am going to give you 5 tips on decorating a Christmas tree. One, I would say, is one of the main things is to use a nice wired ribbon. When you're tying the ribbon, I like to do something, you can do it in many different ways. I like to layer like 1 or 2 together. This one I just did 1. And you looped it all the way around and then add some little tie-ins throughout the tree. That kind of carries that down through. My second tip is your tree topper. As long with the ribbon that we had just discussed, I like to add some height. So this is a 7.5 foot tree. You can add 6 inches, you can add 2 foot, 3 foot to the top of it just by adding just different components, different stems, sticks, and so forth. That really adds volume to the top of your tree. And the third tip on decorating is using different sizes and shapes of ornaments in different colors. So for this, for instance, we have this nice round, it's a 6-inch ball ornament, kind of like a candy cane stripe. The white really stands out and pops out on the tree. This one here is in a different shape, kind of like in a teardrop here with the pretty holly and the berries on it. Again, it lightens up and brings out on the dark tree. And this ornament package, one of my favorites, is just beautiful. So you have the circle, the teardrop, the square, you have all sorts of shapes. This adds dimension. And then don't hesitate to bring in a family ornament of your kids with Santa or things that they've made to add into these trees to make them your own. And a fourth tip I would say is a lot of times you can use all ornaments on a tree, which is very pretty, but I like to use different things. So in this one, of course, I do have my ornaments on, but I like to add, for instance, like these greenery pine pecks. I have a basic tree, but I add this and it brings out dimension. This holly branch, and that stem comes out along with the birch and the berry. This adds dimension to your tree and adds a full wispiness, and it just makes for a very nice design. And the fifth tip would be to select one of our tree packages. We've taken out all the guessing work. So with a package like this, we have picked out, selected every component that works out great to make the design for you. So to make it easy on you, so you don't have to worry about the holiday season and stress out about how pretty your tree is going to look. We have 2 locations, one in New Trenton, Indiana, and one in Montgomery, Ohio, and we would love to see you. We have 2 large stores, and they are full of all kinds of Christmas decor.